Buena Vista has come to partner with Berea Elementary School
Okay, good job.
to have a Build-A-Bear workshop for our K-5 students. Berea Elementary is an arts and basic curriculum school, and Buena Vista is a Leader in Me school.
Step it, step it, step it.
So we're really trying to take the initiatives from both schools and merge them together for our K-5 students.
There's going to be 200 kindergartners that are going to be putting together a bear. It's about our students having a voice and using that voice. Now, they're going to be giving away
Now work on the head maybe a little bit.
something that they would all love to have themselves. And that's going to give them a voice of caring.
What are we doing today?
We're building a bear for other kids.
Nice. Have you had fun?
The character education aspect that they are instilling in my daughter is just makes me emotional because they're teaching her about giving. I hope that she goes home this afternoon and has some reflection on all the blessings that she has in her life and the way that she can spread joy.
It's an amazing feeling that will stay with them for a lifetime.